What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing a brand new Meso Customs door handle kit to go ahead and black out the handles. So as you guys do know, in my previous videos I was blacking out the whole interior of the truck. So now we only have a couple things left, which is going to be the door handles right here. As you can tell, they are chrome and that looks really ugly. And then the last thing that I do have is going to also be this right here, which is the rings. So in a different video we'll do these bad boys right here, but for today we're going to be installing the ones that go here. So we're going to go ahead and black these out. It's going to be super simple. Literally anybody can do it. The cool thing about these is they're actually really affordable, so you can get them as a gift, you can get them for yourself, you can just go ahead and give them away. So let's go ahead and now install them. It's going to be really easy. Let's do it. The cool thing about Meso Customs, anytime you get anything from them, it's always packaged really nice. So as you can tell, this is a really nice packaging, and it looks like they really care for their customers. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. One thing I did want to show you though is looking right here. Cool thing about that is they let you know what's what and just kind of what comes inside the package. You guys will see how easy it is, but literally it just snaps right over. Since I do have a 4-door, it's going to of course come with 4 of these bad boys here. Let's go ahead and grab one of these bad boys here. And then noticing right here, this is of course the chrome, and then this is going to be the black. So if I was you guys, I'd probably clean off the surface really quick, since now it's of course going to be covered up. If you don't want to, that's up to you, but as far as for me, I'm going to make it nice and clean. Super easy, nothing hard about it. Just give it a nice clean touch, just like that. And then up next, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your actual cover. And you're going to notice right here, looking on the back side, there's going to be like a little lip there. So that little lip is going to have to actually engage in the inside, and then that's what kind of snaps it into place. You guys will see right now, but I just want to show you guys, is looking at that little lip that's there. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and kind of pull this forward slightly. As you can tell, pull it forward slightly, kind of slide this in, then you want to kind of snap it into place. Once it snaps in the back, just kind of snap the rest of it in, and there you guys go. It's that simple. So now you got a blacked out door handle. As you can tell, this looks super clean versus having it all chrome. And like I said, Meso Customs makes a lot of stuff like this. They make the one for the vents right here, which that'll be in an upcoming video. They make these right here. As you can tell, that's blacked out, and a couple other little things inside. But it looks super awesome. It looks way better than this ugly chrome over here. As you can tell, that's super ugly. Let's go ahead and now move on to the back, and then we'll do the same to the opposite side. So let's go ahead and grab that next one right there. And this is going to be, of course, the same thing. It has that little lip like right here on the side. As you can tell, now you got your door handle. Meso Customs always has their name right there, as you can tell. Looks pretty good. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing we did here onto the opposite side. Alright, you guys, so now that I finished up the passenger side, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Of course, it's the same thing as the driver's side, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. It looks freaking awesome. So as you can tell right here, it's all nice and done. So no more chrome. That looks ugly. Black looks good. Let me show you on this side. So same thing. So as you can tell, and the cool thing about this, if you do it right, it shouldn't fall off. Look at that. I'm hitting it. And the cool thing about this, since it isn't adhesive, it's actually a clip-on. You shouldn't have to worry about, of course, you know, the heat and the sun heating it up and then falling off. These should actually just stay in place for a long time. And they do feel good quality plastic, so it is plastic, I'm not gonna lie, but it does feel like good quality. And like I was telling you guys in the beginning, it is affordable. So whether you guys want to get it for yourself, a family member, parents, doesn't matter, it's there. So go ahead and check out the description box below. And don't forget to go follow me on all my social medias as well. Check out the description box below for that. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
please feel free to subscribe.